Please move your suitcase. Other cars need this lane.
Stop honking. I will move when I am ready.
Miss, the sidewalk is right beside you.
I can see it. Do not rush me.
Excuse me, we are using that cart.
Then find another one. I need it more. Our bags are already on it. That is not my problem. Please get off the cart. It is only for luggage. Stop acting like my teacher. I am having fun. You are knocking things over. Then move them away from me.
You knocked these down. Please help me pick them up.
That is your job. Do not order me around. She should at least help clean the entrance. Could you step aside? We need to check our flight. Wait! My video is more important.
We only need a few seconds to see the screen.
Then wait a few seconds.
Why did you touch my screen?
It was funny. Learn how to change it back. Please do not touch another passenger's screen. You must use your own kiosk only. Do not tell me what to touch.
You made my check-in harder.
Then learn faster next time. Please return to the line. I am helping this passenger. Serve me first. I am already here.
I was here before you.
Then you should have been faster. Please do not throw your documents. Then check me in faster. I will help you only when this counter is ready. You people make everything slow. Your bag is overweight. Please remove a few items. Your scale is wrong. Fix it. The repacking table is right beside you. I should not have to fix your mistake.
Your bag may break if you force it.
Mind your own bag.
I am only trying to help.
Then help by staying quiet. Please collect your clothes so the walkway stays clear. You pick them up. The floor is your responsibility. These are your personal items. Then why are they on your floor? Please wait until the tag is attached correctly. Stop wasting time and send it. If the tag is wrong, your bag may not arrive. Then do it faster. That boarding pass is mine. Then why was it near my hand? Here is your correct boarding pass. Everyone is making this difficult today. Please prepare your items at the side table. I will stand where I want.
The line is blocked behind you.
Then wait, I am busy.
Please place your phone, keys, and metal items in the tray.
No, I am not taking everything off.
It will help you pass through smoothly.
I do not need your lesson.
My laptop and wallet are in that tray.
Then hold it more tightly. Here is an empty tray for you. I was already using this one.
Please step back and remove the phone.
Turn that stupid alarm off.
The phone is still in your pocket.
So your machine hates phones? Fix it.
The alarm sounded because you kept your phone and keys.
This is your machine's fault, not mine.
Please remove all metal items before trying again.
You people blame me for everything. Those are my shoes. They look the same. Stop complaining. Please check your own tray first. Everyone here acts like I am the problem.
Please keep one side clear.
Walk somewhere else.
This walkway is for everyone.
Then enjoy standing with everyone. Please put that down. It has been damaged. It was already cheap and weak. You were playing with it. I was only testing it.
Please stay back while I clean the spill.
Clean it faster. I need that seat.
You spilled it yourself.
So what? The floor is not my job.
You unplugged my phone.
Your battery has enough. Mine is more important.
My phone was still charging.
Then wait for your turn again. Give his toy back, please. He can have it when he stops whining. That is my plane! Attention, everyone. Maybe boarding starts now. Please step away from the microphone.
Are we boarding already?
Everyone was bored. I made it fun. Could you move your things from one seat? No, my bags need space too.
We have been standing for a long time.
Then stand a little longer. Your boarding zone has not been called. I am not waiting for 3 more groups. We are in the correct zone. Good for you. I am going first.
Please watch your bag. You hit my arm.
Then move your arm out of my way.
We are already in this line.
And now I am in it too. Please step aside until your correct zone is called. You cannot tell me where to stand. I am asking you to follow the boarding order. This order is stupid and I am tired of waiting.
Please keep moving. The line has stopped.
Wait, I need the plane in my photo. We are all trying to board. You can board after my picture. Your behavior has disrupted passengers and staff. This is unfair. Everyone is against me.
You cannot board this flight today.
You will regret treating me like this. Please step back.
Your bag hit me. Please be careful.
Then do not stand so close to me. Miss, please slow down and be careful. Everyone keeps getting in my way. Your airline uses Terminal 2. Thank you. I checked the terminal before leaving home.
Please keep the smaller bag secure on top.
Thank you. I will keep everything stable.
Is this the display for departures?
Yes, your flight information is listed on the next row.
Oh, I see it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Safe travels. Having your documents ready will save time. Everything is prepared. Thank you. I have never used this kiosk before. Choose your airline first, then scan your passport here.
Thank you for giving me space for my suitcase.
Of course. Take your time. Good morning. Here are my passport and booking details. Thank you for having everything ready. Please place your suitcase on the scale. Please remove about 1 kilogram. No problem. I will use the repacking table. Could you please confirm that the bag is checked to Chicago? Yes, the destination is correct. Thank you for your help. Please prepare your items here before the lane. Thank you. I will prepare them here. I am not sure which tray to use. This one is empty. You can place your small bag here. Thank you, dear. That tray is ready. Thank you. I kept everything together.
Please walk forward when the light turns green.
Of course.
All clear. Thank you.
Is that my scarf? Yes, I found it near the tray. Would you like to test this one? Yes, please. May I try one small spray? Of course. Thank you. That model is delicate. I will hold it carefully. Thank you. Is this seat taken? Please sit here. I can stand for a while. Thank you. That is very kind. I arrived safely. I will call again after landing. Thank you for keeping your call quiet. This child cannot find his family. Thank you. I will help right away.
Will my mother find me?
Yes, the airport staff are helping her find you. She is coming this way now. Boarding will begin in 15 minutes. Thank you. I will stay nearby.
Is this seat available?
Yes, please sit here. We are now boarding passengers in Zone 1. My pass says Zone 3, so I will keep waiting.
Where can I find my boarding zone?
It is printed beside your seat number.
Thank you.
Zone 3 may board now. Thank you. My boarding pass is ready. Please place the code under the scanner. Of course. You are all set. Please continue.
Thank you for keeping the line moving.
We can take photos after we arrive. Good afternoon. Welcome aboard. Your seat is on the right. Thank you.
Thank you for keeping the aisle clear.
I want everyone to board safely.
This is my first flight. I feel nervous.
The crew will guide us. We can listen carefully together. Thank you for helping us complete boarding smoothly. Patience and respect make travel easier for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Mr. M Daily English and tell us in the comments, which city are you watching from?